Stop discrimination, together for equality. Discrimination divides societies and limits human potential, but inclusion begins where discrimination ends. Together, we can build a world where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. Equality means giving everyone the same opportunities and rights. It ensures fairness regardless of gender, race, culture, or background. When people feel respected and valued, they can reach their full potential. True equality begins with empathy. Equality creates stronger societies. It promotes social harmony, reduces discrimination, and strengthens teamwork and trust. When everyone is included, innovation grows and communities thrive. Global reports show progress toward equality in many regions, especially in education and workplace opportunities. Yet challenges remain. In many parts of the world, representation gaps and unequal opportunities still affect millions of people. Barriers to equality still exist. Women often earn less than men for the same work. Many people still lack equal access to quality education. Workplace bias and stereotypes continue to limit opportunities. But change is possible. As one voice reminds us, empowerment starts with equal chances.
Discrimination stops when we listen.
When we work together,
we achieve equality.